AIDIMA, your technological partner in research, development and innovation. The Technological Institute for Furniture, Wood, Packaging and Associated Sectors opens its doors to reveal that the strength of the company lies in innovating, experience and a very close collaboration with the industry. It attracts 2,000 clients annually and hosts now more than 700 associated firms all around Spain who trust in the Institute as benchmark for innovation. Currently, trends analysis is made by a multidisciplinary team of experts that follow a very manual process since they have to handle a large volume of information, lots of different sources that have increased in the last years. All this makes the process hard and difficult to manage, which translates into lots of working hours of analyst work, inspecting each source and revising the info contained within. They usually handle 300 sources per analyst in order to extract the weak signals that can potentially become furniture trends in the sector and eventually can be used by the industry in order to design and produce innovative products according to the taste of final consumers. Every time an analyst identifies a weak signal that can be important for the trends analysis, and if that signal is related to others indicating the existence of a trend for the manufacturer, an index card or post-it note is generated where all the characteristics of that signal are written. For a regular team of 6 analysts, each person can gather around 150 cards, all this manually. These cards are then placed on a wall, sticking them one after another. Each analyst then explains his cards, and when this is finished, we find a big colourful wall full of information. From there, an extensive work starts where hours of team group discussions occur, moving the cards from one place to another according to their connection. It is an interactive process that can take days. The main purpose is to find common factors that permit identifying trends that can assist manufacturers with their designs, types of materials and products, which they have to use when manufacturing for their new collections. With FITMAN's new application, we can automate all the manual process of generating the weak signals index cards for the trends analysis. After creating the project and reports from which we want to extract, we can produce an index card that will substitute the post-it note. In this way, we can homogenize the information of the card under a common template. We can also include images that we couldn't do before and print the cards with the same size. On top of this, each analyst will be able to rate and evaluate all cards according to a common criteria, thus generating a score for each card. We will be able to identify signals that are already being used by the industry. We will also have a series of graphs showing the evolution of the process, all sources analysed, how many we produced and how many reached the market. The FITMAN platform empowers the gathering of information from multiple sources of unstructured natural language coming from RSS feeds and social media sources. It integrates current legacy IT and leverages the trends forecasting process with the GEs and SEs rich in information analysis. FITMAN allows detection of signals that can potentially become trends and influence on the next products to be designed and manufactured by the company. We cannot speak of a situation when extracting opinions from the internet today. All feedback and opinions are obtained at retail stores, in furniture fairs and events, or through customer service departments. With FITMAN, we will be able to capture social information in Twitter and Facebook accounts of the opinion leaders, social events and relevant retailers. The FITMAN solution, through the social analyzer developed from generic and specific enablers, supports the extraction of really useful information to improve not only the reputation of the brand, but also the products to fit much better to the customer needs. In the ubiquitous social landscape, the FITMAN platform handles the massive information on the form of comments on unstructured natural text at Facebook and Twitter. In the end, we have a decision-making process where managers and designers brainstorm all ideas obtained from the tool. The tool-generated ideas are finally brought into real new designs that reflect the current preferences from our real customers and the trends from the opinion leaders. Knowing the furniture trends and customers' opinions is key when making decisions regarding new sofa collections. They guide the work of designers when choosing the right materials, finish, shapes, colours, etc. Thanks to the trends and customer opinions, we can minimise the risk of launching products that won't get the acceptance of our final customers. Trends information has a serious impact on the company departments and activities, from the technical office work, catalogue design and marketing actions to all factory production processes.